Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some fresh and exciting news straight out of the Apple rumor mill. A brand new leak has just surfaced, and it's giving us our first look at a stunning new color for the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. This new shade could easily become the standout color of the year. So, let's talk about it. The leak comes from the well-known source Yuangfang Blue, and according to them, Apple might be introducing a new color called Yuangfang Blue for the iPhone 17 Pro. If this turns out to be accurate, it could be the key color Apple uses in all their marketing for the device. And honestly, from the description alone, it sounds like it could be one of the most eye-catching colors we've ever seen on an iPhone. Now, we already know Apple's planning to launch 4 new iPhone 17 models this coming September: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and the top-end iPhone 17 Pro Max. We've seen plenty of leaks already covering everything from new camera hardware to possible dimensions. But up until now, we didn't have any solid details about the color options, that is, until this leak dropped. This new color is reportedly a soft, elegant sky blue, very different from the titanium tones we saw on the iPhone 15 Pro and 16 Pro. According to the leak, this blue shade is even more beautiful than the Sierra blue Apple introduced with the iPhone 13 Pro. It's said to be refined, bright, and modern, very similar to the sky blue used on the new MacBook Air M4. Right now, there aren't any official renders, so don't take it as confirmed yet. Apple could still be testing a few color options. But if it makes it to launch, this new color could really turn heads. What do you think? Are you excited to see Apple go with a bold new color like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Now let's move on to some design leaks about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. And things are getting a little thicker. According to some early design mock-ups, Apple might be going for a bulkier look this time around. Big thanks to Unbox Therapy, who gave us an early peek at what might be coming. In their latest video, they showed off dummy units that reportedly represent both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 17 Pro dummy keeps the same height and width as the iPhone 16 Pro but adds around 0.45 mm in thickness. So, while it won't look drastically different, it will feel a little heavier in hand. As for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, there's no exact size mentioned yet, but it does feature a new two-tone rear panel design. And not everyone's a fan. Lewis from Unbox Therapy shared that he's a bit let down by the new look. He felt it lacks the premium feel of the 16 Pro Max. Another major change we might see is in the camera module. The leak shows a new raised tier wrapping around the camera flash, adding more bulk to the already noticeable camera bump. So, if you didn't like the bump on the 16 Pro Max, this year's model might not win you over either. Of course, none of this is confirmed by Apple yet, but these early leaks give us a pretty good idea of where things are headed. A thicker build and a chunkier camera could mean Apple's packing in some serious upgrades, or it might just be a new design direction. Either way, let me know in the comments what you think of this possible redesign. Alright, let's go over the full lineup with specs, design details, and expected prices to help you figure out which model might be the right fit for you. Starting off with the base model, the iPhone 17. It's coming with a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, and for the first time ever, it'll have a 120Hz LTPO panel. The screen resolution will be 1179 by 2556, and it'll be protected by Apple's new next-gen ceramic shield. On top of that, it offers a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, super bright and crisp. The iPhone 17 will feature a new Face ID system that might allow Apple to make the dynamic island smaller. The selfie camera gets a nice boost to 24 megapixels, while the rear gets a dual camera setup, a 48 megapixels main and a 48 megapixels ultrawide. Under the hood, we've got the A19 chip, 8 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and a 3600 mAh battery with upgraded 45W fast charging. It'll also come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, and it'll ship with iOS 19. Starting price? Around $850. Next, we've got the iPhone 17 Air, which is replacing the old Plus model. It'll have a larger 6.6-inch Super Retina LTPO LED screen with a resolution of 1290 by 2796, and the same 120Hz refresh rate. It's also incredibly thin, just 5 mm, making it the slimmest iPhone ever. On the front, there's a 24-megapixel selfie camera inside the dynamic island, and on the back, a single 48-megapixels lens. Powering the Air is the A19 chip, with 8 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and a 4,700 mAh battery with the same 45W charging. It's expected to start around $950. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro. This one gets a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO LED display with a resolution of 1206 by 2622 and the same peak brightness of 3000 nits. The dynamic island is sticking around, and the selfie cam is again 24 megapixels. But it's the rear camera setup that stands out, a triple 48-megapixel setup including a main sensor, an ultrawide, and a periscope lens, plus a lidar scanner. Inside, we've got the A19 Pro chip, 12 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and a 3,600 mAh battery with 50W fast charging. Pricing starts around $1,050 and launches mid-September 2025. And finally, we have the top-of-the-line iPhone 17 Ultra. This one comes with a massive 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO LED display, a resolution of 1320 by 2868, and, you guessed it, 3000 nits peak brightness. It also sticks with the dynamic island and a 24-megapixels front camera. On the back, it features the full suite of 48-megapixel sensors, main, ultrawide, periscope, plus a lidar scanner. It's powered by the same A19 Pro chip, comes with 12 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and a 4,700 mAh battery with 50W fast charging. It'll cost around $1,250 and will also drop in mid-September. So overall, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Apple launches in years. While the upgrades may not convince iPhone 16 owners to upgrade immediately, for those with older models, or people switching to Apple for the first time, this could be the perfect time to jump in. As always, I'll be keeping an eye out for more leaks and updates, so if anything new comes out, you'll hear it here first. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.